how to delete Google account permanently. So today in this video I will be showing you how can you delete your Google account permanently. But before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. So the first thing is you can open up your Gmail application. And if you have got multiple Gmail account or your Google account, then you need to switch to the account in which you want to make the change or which account you want to delete. For that, you can tap on your profile at the right upper corner, and from over here you can switch to the account which you want to delete. After switching, you will be able to see the home page or your email on your screen. So for deleting your Google or Gmail account, you have to tap on your profile at the right upper corner and you have to go for Google account. Once you are under your Google account, you will be able to see the various options like your home, personal info, data and privacy, and many more. You have to simply swipe to data and privacy, and you have to scroll a little bit to the button until you see delete your Google account. There is also delete a Google service option, but for you have to select delete your Google account option, which is under more options. And once you tap over that, you will be opened up to this interface you can see over here in the screen. And once you click on that, you will be opened up to this interface where there is a text box for entering your password for continuing to delete your account. This is for your verification or security. If you forgot your password, then you can also go for forget password option and you will be able to reset your password. And once again, you can follow the similar step and come over here. After that, you can go for next. After that, you will be able to see this interface under delete your Google account. So here are various description about deleting your Google account. If you want to download your data, then you can go for download your data option, from where you will be able to delete all of your data on your Google account and you can review afterwards. And you have to read that all of the contents related to your Gmail account, that includes your Gmail, YouTube, calendar, and many more other apps will be deleted. So if you are accurate, then you have to simply check mark over these two boxes at the bottom and you have to go for delete account, and after doing that your account will be deleted permanently. So this is how you delete Google account permanently. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.